Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing the new Peplink MAX BR2 Micro router, a compact yet powerful solution for robust, reliable internet connectivity. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. First, let's see what's inside the box. When we first open the box, we see a SIM card, as well as the MAX series Quick Start Guide. Then you'll see two sections. On the left is the router, and on the right, you'll find your accessories. Let's start by unpacking the router. Next, let's unpack the accessories. Once you open the section, you'll see a USB-C to USB-C cable with screw locking, your power supply, a pair of mounting brackets and 4 screws, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Everything you need to get started is right here. The MAX BR2 Micro sports a sleek, compact design, making it perfect for space-constrained environments. Despite its small footprint, it's packed with advanced features. The build quality feels premium, and it's robust enough to handle demanding conditions. On the front side, you'll find a USB-C slot, a LAN/WAN port, the power port, a status light, and a reset button. Flipping it over, you'll see 4 cellular antenna connectors, 1 GPS antenna connector, and the SIM slot. The BR2 Micro is equipped with multiple gigabit Ethernet ports, providing flexible connectivity options. It also includes advanced security features such as built-in VPN support, ensuring your data remains secure over the internet. Additionally, the router supports Peplink's GPS fleet tracking, making it an excellent choice for fleet management solutions. Now let's talk about what makes the BR2 Micro stand out. This router features dual embedded cellular modems, allowing for simultaneous dual LTE connectivity. This means you can have 2 separate cellular connections active at the same time for maximum redundancy and reliability. The Peplink MAX BR2 Micro supports LTE Pro, providing up to 600 megabits per second of downlink and 150 megabits per second of uplink speed. It also features 802.111 AC Wi-Fi, giving you high-speed wireless connectivity. On the hardware side, it comes equipped with a powerful quad-core processor, ensuring smooth and efficient operations even under heavy load. The Peplink MAX BR2 Micro supports SpeedFusion technology, providing seamless failover and bandwidth bonding. This ensures uninterrupted connectivity by intelligently combining multiple internet connections. Whether you're on the move in an RV, setting up a remote office, or managing a pop-up event, this router delivers consistent performance. Managing the BR2 Micro is straightforward with Peplink's intuitive web-based interface. Plus, with InControl 2, Peplink's cloud management platform, you can remotely monitor and manage your entire network. You get real-time insights, firmware updates, and the ability to configure your devices from anywhere. Let's look at some real-world applications. The BR2 Micro is ideal for mobile command centers. Ensure your team stays connected with reliable internet on the go. Emergency services. Quick and dependable setup for critical communication in disaster zones. Remote work sites. Keep your operations running smoothly in areas with limited connectivity. RV and marine. Stay connected on your adventures with a robust and flexible internet solution. Events and pop-ups. Set up temporary yet powerful networks for events, ensuring all devices stay online. Whether it's for business continuity, disaster recovery, or enhancing your travel experiences, the BR2 Micro provides the connectivity you need. To sum it up, the Peplink MAX BR2 Micro router is a powerhouse in a compact form factor. It brings the flexibility of dual LTE connections, the reliability of SpeedFusion technology, and the ease of remote management through InControl 2. Whether you're in a mobile environment or need a robust solution for a remote site, this router has you covered. Thanks for joining us in this unboxing and deep dive of the Peplink MAX BR2 Micro router. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like to see in our future videos. Stay connected, and we'll see you next time.